7:26 in the morning, Sunday, June 23rd. I'm at the Hugh Ramsey Nature Park in Harlingen, Texas. Everything's supposed to be really green with the recent rainfalls that we had. Get the mesquite right here. I hear those chichalacas. There's a chichalaca right there. We've had rainfall Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, yesterday, perhaps overnight. Tropical storm Alberto on Thursday, made landfall on Thursday. Then we had the other tropical disturbance system. Should have made, well, just really unorganized, should have made landfall yesterday. Both of those south in Mexico. So Mexico should have received a lot of water. You know, Monterrey got a lot of water. These paths are really muddy. What happened to the maguey? I think they all do that. Once they grow up really tall, the weight breaks and down it goes. No need for me to go that way. Let me just head on this way. I'm going to show you the erosion. Guess it's draining pretty good here, because you can see where the water would have flowed down. See the path there. Down it goes there. And eventually down into the Arroyo Colorado. Got another white-winged dove right there. And I can hear the white wings, and I can hear mourning doves. And there's a rabbit. Let me zoom in and then I'll end the video. I had to cut the video right here.